In this demonstration, we will examine how a recipient securely authenticates and opens a certified delivery using vaultinbox.cloud protected delivery access controls. The recipient begins by signing in to the vaultinbox.cloud account using the registered email address and password. As part of the account login process, vaultinbox.cloud sends a temporary 6-digit verification code to the recipient's registered email address. After the recipient enters the current verification code and selects Verify and Continue, access is granted to the authenticated vaultinbox.cloud account, and the recipient proceeds to the dashboard. From the inbox, the recipient can see certified deliveries addressed to the account, including the tracking ID, sender, subject, delivery status, sent timestamp, open timestamp, and the open action. Selecting Open does not immediately expose the protected delivery. Because the sender required recipient two-factor authentication using an Authenticator App, or TOTP, vaultinbox.cloud first verifies that the recipient has satisfied the required authentication control. If the recipient has not yet enrolled an Authenticator application, the recipient can select Manage MFA and complete enrollment by scanning the displayed QR code, or by using the manual setup key with a compatible Authenticator application. The recipient then enters the current 6-digit time-based authentication code and confirms the enrollment. Vaultinbox.cloud provides one-time recovery codes that should be stored securely and privately for account recovery purposes. Once Authenticator enrollment is complete, the recipient enters the current 6-digit Authenticator code when prompted and selects Verify. After successful MFA verification, vaultinbox.cloud returns the recipient to the Unlock Certified Delivery page, where the authentication status is displayed as Verified. MFA verification alone does not open the certified delivery. The recipient must also enter the separate 16-character Recipient Unlock Code previously provided by the sender through an independent communication channel. This additional control separates the sender-provided delivery secret from the recipient's account authentication. After entering the valid unlock code and selecting Verify and Open, vaultinbox.cloud marks the certified delivery as opened and presents the protected delivery record. The recipient can review the tracking ID, sender, recipient, subject, open timestamp, message content, and the attached PDF preview, and may use the available Download PDF control when appropriate. Once the certified delivery has been successfully opened, vaultinbox.cloud automatically records the opened date and time within the recipient's inbox. The corresponding sender-side delivery record also reflects the same recipient open event, allowing both sides of the certified delivery workflow to maintain a consistent audit history. This completes the recipient MFA verification and secure unlock procedure. In the next demonstration, we will continue with the recipient's Passkey authentication presentation.